Hi there! In this video, I will give you a quick guide on how you can create a Revolut Pro account. So please listen carefully to each step that I will be explaining because I will describe everything clearly so you can follow along even if your screen looks a little different. So before starting, make sure that you have the correct plan or version that supports this feature so you will have full access to everything you need. So once you're on your Revolut website or app, of course, you have to make sure first that your country actually supports or has Revolut um, and yeah, after all that, what you will do is log in using your existing credentials, of course, or create one if you don't have one yet. And after logging into your account, what you will do is look for the profile section and then click that, and then you will click accounts and then click upgrade to pro. Then you will review the pro features and just go ahead and click upgrade. And then you will confirm payment method and complete the upgrade. And after all that, the Pro account will be activated and you will just have to check account settings for the full features. And that's just it. Thank you so much for watching this video and I really hope it was helpful for you. And if it was, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you so much and have a good day.